Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with my third and final July design team project for Country Craft Creations. This one is still using the Echo Park Lost in Neverland paper. For this project, I did a quad fold folio. It came out really cute. It's super easy to put together. Shouldn't take you too long to do. It's about 1.5 inches wide, 6 1/4 by 8. So let's take a look. On the front here, I've got some chipboard elements that I had left from my big Neverland album that I did back in May. It was in May. Wow, that was a while ago. So I did use some of those along with some of the ephemera pieces that came in my design team package. When you open it up, we've got some more of the stickers and the ephemera pieces from my design team package. I had a couple of extra sheets of the pirate map, Neverland map paper that is part of the collection in my stash that I had left over from my prior project prior to the design team. But all of this is available at Country Craft Creations, and I also used the cream artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations. So this opens up all the way like this, and we've got 4 different panels. I do have the tutorial ready to go. I will link it below. But this side, I'm going to untie this. We've got some stickers and ephemera from the collection. We have a little insert in here that you could put photos on. This, of course, is open on the side here, and then open on the top and the bottom on this ephemera piece so that you can add photos. This doesn't want to go back in. Okay, we're going to leave that out. It doesn't want to slide in for me. Inside here, we do have a pocket that I've just got a bunch of the cut-aparts in that you could use for photo mats or, you know, whatever you choose. We have a sideways waterfall. This uses the 4x6 cut-aparts. And then I did use the matching solids pack from Echo Park that is also available in the Country Craft Creations store to mat the back side of the waterfall. And then above the waterfall there is another large pocket, and I just did a very simple large photo mat that you could put photos really on both sides. You could put a photo here and journal on the other side. Really, you could just journal down in this kind of open spot with like a white gel pen, and that would be kind of cool too. So that slides back in there. And then this all ties up, which I'm not going to tie it right now. On this one, we have a we have a flap, opens, has a half-page flap. Again, using the 4x4 cut-aparts. We have a belly band with a small folio that you can get some pictures and some journaling in. This opens this way. You've got space for pictures here as well. You could journal up here with a white gel pen, and that would look really cool. And then another large pocket. So this will hold quite a few photos. And then I've got just, again, some more of the cut-aparts in here. This one does close with a magnet. The center section I did use an edge punch, which I don't normally do, so that was kind of new for me. I've got a bunch of them. I usually just use them on cards. I don't usually use them on my mini albums, but I think I might start doing more of that because I really like how this came out. So this is another one of the cut-aparts that I've just matted on one of the matching solids. And so this opens this way and then opens this way, and then we have a belly band with another folio inside. And this was from one of the border strips that I cut apart. Same thing on this one. This is one of the border strips that I cut apart and added to that belly band. But this one, you have enough space in here, you could absolutely, you know, mat some pictures with some of these cut aparts that are in here and put them in there, and that would work. This also closes with a magnet. On this size, I've got a whole bunch of pockets, and I really want to pull these out of here, all of these little inserts. So these are more of the cut-aparts, and then I've got a couple of the larger ephemera pieces in here because you could absolutely journal on the back of these. So what I did here, there was a tutorial that Tammy did on, I don't remember if it was on the Country Craft Creation, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creation page, or if it was on the Authentique page. It was one or the other. But it was based off of a design by, I believe, another one of the design team members, that they did it with, had to have been on Scrapbookers, with the Graphic 45 kaleidoscope paper, where you took a sheet of it and just kind of trimmed it so you had that cascading effect. Well, that's what I did with this cut apart for this fun expandable pocket. I'm actually going to turn this up this way so you can see how much this thing expands out. And this goes all the way up to the top there. Expands all the way out. You can get all kinds of things in here. But it just ends up being a really cool little effect here. They had done that on a waterfall because I decided to have my expanding pockets here kind of cascade. I just thought that would be a really cool effect to have that on there like so. So I'm just going to stick a couple of these back in here, but that's my project. I'm looking forward to moving on to my August projects. I have some really fun paper for that from Simple Stories, and I know I posted a video of it, I believe, on it should be on YouTube as well as my Facebook page, Scrapping Under the Influence. Tutorial will be linked below, and there you have it. Thanks for watching.